Alright, it is claimed that 35% of people prefer chocolate ice cream. In a random survey of 200 customer ice cream chains, 85 prefer chocolate. Does this show that the percentage is not 35? So pretty much what we need out of this information is that we have 35, and that's going to be what our P is claimed to be, 200, and 85. So, and also it's good to know that we have a random survey. So having known this, let's go to the next page and start. Our population is all ice cream store customers. Our parameter, which is P, is the proportion of people who like chocolate. And so my null hypothesis is P equals 0.35, because we assume that it's going to be 35. And our alternate hypothesis, since we don't know if it's too big or too small, is that P is not equal to 35. Remember, we only use P or mu for our hypothesis. And this is a one sample Z proportion test. And remember, proportions always use Z. SRS is stated. Independence. Well, we have 200 people times 10 is equal to 2,000, which is less than the total ice cream customers. And for normality, we're going to use 200 times 0.35 and 200 times 1 minus 0.35 to see what happens. So this one's 70 and this one's 130, and both of these are bigger than 10, so we got our normality. Calculations. We got P equals 0.35 in the middle. Sigma is equal to the square root of 0.35 times 1 minus 0.35 divided by 200. Which turns out to be 0.034. Looking back at our problem, we had 85 out of 200. So 85 out of 200 equals P hat, which is 0.375. Let's try that one more time. That's right, 0.425. So this green mark is 0.425. And remember, since this is two-sided, we're going to shade on both sides. So Z equals 0.425 minus 0.35 divided by the square root of 0.35 times 0.65 over 200, which is 2.22. Probably Z is greater than 2.22, or Z is less than negative 2.22, because this is a two-sided, is 0.26 after I multiply by 0.026 after I multiply by 2, which is less than 0.05. I reject. That's right. The null hypothesis. I have reason to suggest that the percentage of people who prefer chocolate ice cream is not 35%. And that is one sample. The proportion test